BJP-led government at the center for the last 6 years has been involved in horse trading, buying of MLAs and MPs, and toppling the elected governments and installing the BJP government, misusing their power at the center. In the case of Manipur, Goa, Karnataka and Madhya Pradesh, the game of the BJP by using their money power and the power at the center, misusing it, and toppled the elected Congress government in those states. This is nothing but murder of democracy. They tried their level best to topple the government in Rajasthan. They have been constantly for the last 4 years working to topple our Congress government in Puducherry. In fact, the people are the deciding factor in the election. The will of the people has been throttled by BJP by adopting unconstitutional methods and illegal methods in toppling the governments. It is not only the Congress government. They were targeting the TMC government in West Bengal. They are targeting other elected governments in various states. Because of this, the constitution, democracy, collective responsibility, all these things have become totally a failure in BJP rule at the center. What is happening in Rajasthan is clear case of the methods used by BJP breaking the Congress and then trying to topple duly elected Ashok Gehlot government. This is high time the people of this country rise to the occasion in one voice. They should tell the BJP government at the center that don't murder democracy. Don't ignore the will of the people. Therefore, it is a time that the governor of Rajasthan, because of the COVID situation that is prevailing in all over the country, when the Chief Minister, Honorable Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot wanted discussion on COVID situation, call the assembly session, let the discussion be conducted, and the people of Rajasthan should be given all welfare schemes. Therefore, for the purpose of the maintaining and upholding democratic values in the country, the governor of Rajasthan has to call the assembly session immediately. In Puducherry also, the Lieutenant Governor Dr. Kiran Bedi is day in and day out is murdering democracy. All the BJP ruled states are not being disturbed. When the opposition ruled states, they are using the governors to create problem for the elected governments and to become a party to topple the governments. Therefore, this is the people voice have to be raised, and we need the support of the people for upholding democracy, and they should in one voice say, let the governor call the assembly session in Rajasthan, since it has been done following the rules by the elected Honorable Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot.